Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video today I'm gonna show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been on the App Store error on iPhone, iPad, iOS 16. So let's get started video with wasting time. How can I fix this? So first of all, open settings on your iPhone, then tap on Wi-Fi network and tap on icon, just tap it, then tap on forget this network and this your device longer join this Wi-Fi network, forget, and again network, sign in Wi-Fi back, then scroll down and tap on journal. So guys, first of all, update, checking your update software, and first updating this software, then scroll down and tap on iPhone storage and clean the storage, then scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone and tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings, just tap it and enter your iPhone password and reset this back home screen, and again open App Store app, then tap on profile icon on App Store and tap on Apple ID, just tap it. So guys, waiting few seconds, and after new appear on screen on my phone. So as you can see, it is asking touch ID and Apple ID, sign in, enter iPhone passcode, enter Apple ID passcode, tap on sign in. So waiting few seconds and signing Apple ID in my phone. So after a new appear on screen, so as you can see, here is new appear on screen, just you have to type on country region, just tap it. So then tap on change country or region, just type it, choose a country region for the store that will match the billing address for your payment method, find country region. Just tap it, then tap here agree, tap on none, scroll down and tap fill billing address, enter your city's passcode, just type it and tap here phone number and tap on next. So again tap on profile icon and here sign in your Apple ID. So this problem fixes. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment, I help you. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching videos.